Hello, I'm Devashri. I'm teach web development course at SAE. It is about full stack development where students will learn about the front-end development, back-end development and online marketing and mobile development as well. And definitely they will learn about from the scratch HTML, CSS, JavaScript and online marketing and Python and mobile development where they will learn about Java and Android development as well. There's an amazing teaching approach we are using here. If you don't have any experience, you can come and start from the scratch. The course structure and approach is like it start from zero to advanced. Students can learn everything from the basic. There's a lots of hands-on experience we are doing. First of all, in SAE, there's a beginners friendly course. It start from the zero level to advanced level. Second is a small amount of students we have in the classroom, so we will give single independent attention so that every students get their queries done. They can share their knowledge, their problems with the teachers very easily, and we can take care every students individually if they have some problems. We are doing lots of different problems so that they will get into industry and ready themselves for the industry as well. We need only laptop, to be honest, and definitely we are providing desktop in the classroom and libraries. There's a lots of students staying after the class and they're sitting in the library and they're doing their project over there. So yes, if they don't have any sufficient resources, they can stay in SAE for a long time to complete their project. There's a real life project. They can how the industry actually work, the same thing we are doing in the classroom. We are doing website, real life website, where they will learn how to develop the website, how to create the landing page, how to do the registration form, sign up form, how to do the authentication, how to create the tables, how to make the website, and after the website how to make the project online presence. So not only they're learning about how to do the project proposal, how to make and design the website, they will learn how to promote their product in the online, which is very important for freelancer, for the business, or if you want to get into industry, you have a full stack and all the knowledge that we need to promote your business and service to the audience. And definitely we will help them to build lots of different real life websites so that they can showcase their websites through any social media like LinkedIn or any other social media as well. They will start, like I said, the website, they will start from the very zero level, beginners level website, and then gradually step by step they will learn more advanced stuff and they will create different kind level of website. They will create e-commerce website, they will create portfolio website, they will create different kind of website based on their requirements, their choice, and the learning outcome as well. They need to follow the learning outcome. And definitely we have a very good thing which is collaboration with the other discipline as well. Like for example, we are collaborate with the game students, we are collaborate with the film students, so that they will get to learn how to communicate with other people, how to collect their requirements from. Definitely when they get into industry, they need to learn how to collect the requirements from the clients, and how to write down on paper, and maybe through the presentation they will demonstrate all this stuff. So yeah, collaboration is the key, where not only they will learn technically how they will develop the website. At the same time, they will learn how to communicate with the other people, how to share their knowledge, how to share their ideas, how to do the design, how to collect the requirements and portray it in form of design as well. So it is a great opportunity for the students. Let's see, how to do the code is not the end. To be a developer, you have to know how to communicate your ideas with the other people as well, how to selling your quality with the client. So it is very important. So I think this is a really good course where not only they will shape the technical skills, at the same time they will learn how to selling their communication skills, their knowledge, their presentation as well. There's a lots of workshop conference, like we are invite some expertise to come and do the workshop as well. We already did this year generative AI workshop in the classroom. We did already UI UX conference as well. There's a lots of different workshop we did usually to understand how industry worked and how the automation takes place nowadays. Every year we are restructured our course, not from the scratch, but we are changing the different techniques, different adding different new automated tool. For example, we added Figma, we added GitHub, we added lots of different tool which help them to make themselves easy to get into industry. They could apply for full stack developer, front end developer, back end developer, online marketing, and in different field like consultant as well. This is my field. I already did my engineering in computer science and masters in computer science as well. I'm very passionate about teaching, so different kind of students and different kind of innovative approaches. This is really motivated me to be in this field actually. So in SAE every year there's an award competition. Usually we are doing not only we have lots of different campus around the world. So there will be global competition we had. So my student submit his work as a website development he did, and he got the first prize. Very strong point about SAE is small amount of students. So if you don't know about anything, don't worry at all. Come in and it will start from the scratch. So it should be fine. If you don't know, don't afraid and come in. And definitely if you do hard work, it's a very challenging and very interactive field. You can come in and you can get very good job after complete this course. Visual Studio Code. We usually use Visual Studio Code for every trimester for the different languages. Like for example, when we learn about HTML, CSS, we are using Visual Studio Code. Then for backend also, for Python also, we are using VS Code. So yeah, it is my favorite because there's a code editor where we can do lots of things very easily.